And if you also have dark elbow, if you have dark elbow, it's also going to take it off. If you have dark knuckles, it's also going to wipe your knuckles. It's going to clear everything. If you have dark nails, make sure you apply Piment Doux on it. Apply Piment Doux on your dark knuckles, your elbow, and your dark nails. Believe me, sis, it works like magic. So see you in my next video. Please, if you enjoy this video, if you find this video interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. See you all in my next video. Bye. Love you all, and thanks for watching. Hey. Welcome back to my channel, sis. What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you for clicking, and welcome to today's video. Yay! If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you are missing. Yes, I mean it. You are missing. And to my new subscribers, my new sisters, welcome. Welcome to my YouTube family. I feel so blessed and honored to have you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for choosing to be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the support and love you have been showing to me. Believe me, I do read all your comments, and I so much love the support that I'm getting from you all. Today I'll be doing a review about this product. Here is a product. I don't know if you can see this well, but this is a product. Piment Doux. Piment Doux. I know there is a lot of Piment Doux in the market. Yeah, I know there's a lot of it in the market. And I've also watched a lot of reviews about this product here on YouTube. I don't just like the reviews at all. They may be right, I don't know, because this Piment Doux, I showed you in my last video, because I showed you in my last video, the video that I did about Fair and White So White. I added it into my cream when I was mixing my cream. I don't put much of it though. I put a little bit of it. It's because I love it. You know, Fair and White So White is a cream that is not harsh. And if you want it to like brighten up your skin really fast, you need to activate it with another product, another lightening product. Yeah, to be honest, that's also the reason why so many people complain it's not working for them. They've been using it for like 3 months, 6 months, but they don't see results. It's because you don't know how to pro-mix your cream. Pro-mixing your cream doesn't mean it's going to damage your skin. You just need to be wise about it. Okay, you just need to be wise about it. Like when mixing your cream, always make sure you put you add in your anti-stretch marks, anti green veins. Look at me, I don't have green veins. I don't have it. And the reason you are putting all those anti-stretch marks and anti-green veins is because you want to prevent them. You want to prevent them from appearing on your skin. Okay, this Piment Doux, I know there is a lot of it in the market, but if you lay your hands on the original of this product, believe me, sis, you will not regret your money. Just believe me, you will not regret your money. I always say this in my videos. I'll not come here to deceive you all. I value you all so much. I cherish you all. You all are my sisters. You are my family. Believe it or not. I will always do a review, and I will never do a review on a product that I've never used on my skin. No, no, no. I will never do that. I will never. So if you want to get this Piment Doux, make sure you get the original. There is a lot of fake Piment Doux in the market. So before getting this Piment Doux, you need to get the original. If you get the original, you will not regret spending your money on it. And if you really want to brighten up your skin really fast, like in 7 days, it's not just, when I say 7 days, it doesn't mean you just have a fair skin like overnight. No, you start noticing changes as from 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. And what this Piment Doux actually does on the skin, like when you apply it, when you want to promise your cream, let me show you how. Let me open it and show you all. This is it. This is a Piment Doux. I don't know if you can see this. This one right here is actually empty. There's nothing inside because I've used it. I need to get another one. This is just to let you all know that I've actually used it. I didn't go to the market to buy it. I didn't just go to the market to buy it just to do a review here on YouTube. I've actually used it. I've used it on my skin. Believe me, I've used it on my skin. The reason I always mix my Fair and White So White with this product, I have 2 of it here. Like I don't want to make this video to be too long. This is another product. This one is also very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Oh my god, this one, don't worry, I'll do a review about it. Let me not, if I don't use Piment Doux in my cream, if I don't use it to premix my lotion or my cream, I'll use this one. But this video is all about Piment Doux. It's all about Piment Doux. So as I was saying, before premixing your cream, if you are using Fair and White So White or any other lightening product, always make sure you add your anti-stretch marks and your anti-growing veins. Yeah, if you don't know the type, there are a lot of anti-stretch marks and anti-growing veins in the market. But don't worry, I will do a review on how you can actually premix your anti-stretch marks at home. Just let me know if you want me to do a video about that. Just let me know in the comment section. Let me know. That's why I said you all should subscribe. If you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now, sis. Because if you don't subscribe, you are going to miss a lot. Because here in this channel, all I do here, I do review, like I review lightening products and so on and so forth. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now. Believe me. So if you want to get this, make sure you get the original. Make sure you get the original. There is a lot of Piment Doux. Please, I want to say this before I forget. My fellow YouTubers, if you want to do a review about I know that maybe you might have come like maybe the one that you used was fake, or I don't know, it may be so. But please, I just want to let you all know that if you want to buy a particular lightening product in the market, always make sure you get the original. And if you don't know the original, ask someone that knows the original. Ask any person that knows the original. I always say this to you people, that if I want to buy a lightening product or any other thing in the market and I don't know the original and the fake, I will just go to the seller and tell the seller, I need this thing and I want the original. I know the original, so don't dare to give me the fake. the fake one. If you give me the fake one, I will know, and you will refund me back my money. You will refund my money. So this sounds crazy, but it does work for me. It worked for me very well. Piment Doux doesn't destroy the skin, honestly.